and 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix dry ingredients. In a new bowl, place 1 cup of softened butter, 3 1/4 cups of Muscovado sugar, and mix until it becomes fluffy. Then place 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of liquify coffee, and now combine dry and wet mixture. Cups of white chocolate chips, use spatula for cut and fold mix. Place the baking sheet and grease the tray as well. And now measure 1 scoop of batter per cookie. Don't worry with the batter, it will be flattened once they get warmed inside. Bake in a preheated oven for 190 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes.